All right, guys, just finished up another 4Runner. This one's got the 3-inch rough country with their upper control arms. We definitely recommend the upper control arms with any 3 or 3.5-inch kit on the Toyotas. Otherwise, you're right on the verge of alignment, and sometimes you can't even get it into spec. And even if you do get it in spec, it's not really the you're not going to get the best tire wear. It may be okay and in spec, but you're not going to have the best results. So we add the arms to ensure the best alignment possible on them. Then we did the 20x9 +1 Fuel Rebels, 305, 55 Nitto Recons. Now 305 is going to be equivalent to a 12-inch wide tire, but for whatever reason Nitto calls it a 1250, and it does measure out to be a 1250. I think they may just have their math off just a little bit there. On this one, it's just minimal trimming to the plastics, but we do have to modify the body mount slightly. As you can see here, the bottom corner of the fender flare is trimmed. The front plastic is just pushed forward about an inch and then rebolted in a new position. Then you can see the body mount here. We have to notch it and put a plate in. And you can't really tell anything's done once it's done, but it gives you about another inch of tire clearance. Real clean setup without being too much on this one. But that is it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.